Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Just want to show you these waterfalls and water systems here. Some beautiful stuff here in Turkey. Just having a looking around. We've got water everywhere. Bit of a dream if you're into your water, your ponds and things like that. You can just see down here. Again, more water here. Fish in the pond. Enormous. Hard to pick up on camera, but you can just see there. Really cool place. Definitely something you know, wouldn't necessarily see in the UK perhaps, but absolutely gorgeous. Just taking a look there, and then you can see back up here, all the way up to the top. Fantastic. Absolutely worth visiting if you do come out this way. This whole area is filled with waterfalls and all sorts of stuff here. Gorgeous place. We'll update you a few more places, but just wanted to show you that in the meantime. Thanks for watching. See you on the next one.